Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert triple page border in Microsoft Word. So get ready started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, in this video I will show that insert triple page border. Now going to the design menu option. Now for click. Then click on the page border option. Now click for the page style. Now for click, then click for the triple border, then click for the widget option. Now for click, then click for the triple. Now click for OK. That's it. Then I show insert triple page border in Microsoft Word is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.